The enterprise automation system includes complete inventory control by location for both inventory items and lot items. To show inventory by location, click the Show Inventory by Location button for a lot, and then you'll see a pop-up window with your locations. If not all your locations show up, you can just click the Update Company Locations if new inventory locations have been added to your system. But you should probably, when you set up your system, add all locations, and then you'd only have to click this button one time. The inventory quantities on hand summarize records for lot transactions from invoices, purchase orders, and where lots are used on bills of materials and lots are created in the Work in Process module. In the test records entered into the system, you'll see that the quantities on hand for location 1001 is minus 280. I will now create a lot transaction record to make an adjustment to move inventory from lot 1002 and from location 1002 to location 1001. To do this, I'll click on the Show Transactions window, and then I'll click on the Adjustment tab, and then I'll create a new adjustment, and I'll choose Location Transfer. And since I'm going to transfer from location 1002, I'll choose location 1002, and I'll make a little note here and I'll say to location 1001, and I'll say I'm going to transfer 300 pieces. And then I just need to make one more adjustment, and this is also going to be location transfer, but I'll say for this one, location transfer from 1002, and I'm going to add 300 pieces to location 1001. And now I'll close the transactions window, and you'll now see that location 101, that there's 300 pieces added to that, and in location 102 300 pieces were subtracted from that location. So that's just a basic example of how lot transactions work with inventory control. For lots by location, you usually do not have to create two transactions. For instance, when a purchase is made, it's just one transaction, and this lot transaction record is created automatically from the purchase order line item. And then as you choose lots to sell on an invoice, you just click New Transaction, and then you add that to the invoice. It's very seamless how the lot transactions happen. But we'll go into a lot more detail on how to create transactions from their specific modules for movies for those specific modules.